Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Mania. And this is my first class of Excel free training for beginners series. So in this series, I'm going to describe Excel for beginners. So first of all, I would like to thank you all of you to come on my YouTube channel, and please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos with your loved one to support me to continue this series. Okay, so first of all, what is Excel and where we use it? So Excel is a spreadsheet software and which included in the MS Office suite. And there are plenty of uses of Excel, like we use in office work, in companies, as factories, as a commercial purpose, and also personal purpose. So without wasting our time, let's jump into Excel. So if you press this button, then the Windows button, and then you scroll down here, you can find Excel. This is my navigation. Maybe your navigation is different, but you can find here in MS Office, maybe 2013 or maybe 2016 suite. And then just when you click it, then this is screen comes in front of you. So here there are a lot of built-in templates you can find which are built-in and ready to use. Just download it and you can use it, like related to business, presentation, letters, and there are a long list of the templates, ready-made templates. But we are using a blank workbook because our aim is to learn Excel from scratch. So when you just click it, then this layout of Excel comes in front of you. Okay, so let's start to understand that what is this screen. So we are going to start from upside. So this is the name of the book, the name of this workbook. It is book number 1. So it is a default name, but when you save it, then you can give it to your uh, name, any name which you want to give. Okay. So from your very right, extreme right, there are 4 buttons. One is close button if you want to close it. One is you can restore like this one or this one, and you can minimize it or you can maximize it. And this button I will discuss later. And here on your extreme left, there is quick access toolbar. Okay, so it is very interesting because if you here you can attach some buttons which you use frequently. For example, new, open, save, email, quick, and so on. And there are a lot of commands here which you can attach here and you can use frequently. For example, I attach here quick print. So whenever I have to give print, so I don't want to go inside and just click this button and my print is on the way. So now this is your quick access bar, and here you find some tabs. This is called tabs, just like home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view. And here it is like help bar, that what you want to ask from Excel. Okay, start from home. If you click home, so beside this tabs, this is a ribbon. This is long. This long thing is called ribbon, and in this ribbon there are different groups. You can see here, this is clipboard, this is font group, this is alignment group, this is number group, this is style, cells, and editing, and so on. And you can see the same groups in different tabs. Okay, and then you find here and this related to this all group is related to font. If you want to formatting the font, then this is the, for example, this is these are the different themes, these are the size and so on. We will discuss it later in details, but you can find here a little arrow button. If you click this one, then you can find plenty of more options to format your font. Okay, and then I left this button, but this button is actually ribbon display, because this is a ribbon. So if you want to display it, then it's okay, but you have three options. If you want to hide it, then you can hide this one. If you want to uh, if you want to show only tabs, then it is also available, and the normal or the standard option is this one. Okay, so I think now you can understand the header of the Excel, that what is these buttons and all these things. And on our next classes we will go deeper in these all options, but this class we just get familiar with Excel, that only we understand that what is this screen is. Okay, so now this is a sheet. If you find here, this is a sheet, and this is spread horizontally and vertically, so that's why it is called a spreadsheet. And Excel sometime we also call it a spreadsheet. Okay, so now these are called vertical columns from A, B, C, D, and so on. And if you want to know that how many columns are there, then just press Control and then the arrow key, the right arrow key, and then you can find the end of your sheet vertically, and this is XFD, up to XFD columns. And then if you want to find how many, these are called rows, 2 1 2 3, because these are horizontally spread, and these are called rows. And how many rows are there? Oh, so you will be surprised, it is more than 1 million rows are there. So you can imagine that how much data, how huge data you can enter into this small Excel sheet. Okay, so this is called a sheet, and these are called the columns, and these are called the rows. Now these are, you can observe here, small little rectangular, plenty of rectangular shape. What is this? This is called cell. So this is one cell, and there is a address of this cell. For example, if you are big colony and there are mm, thousands of houses are there, and every house is its own address. So similarly, this cell which I click here, this cell is also an address. So what is its address? So because it located here in the G column, and also it located in the sixth row. So that's why its address is G6, because the first we mention here G, which is the column, and 6 is the row. And the same thing you can find here, it is called name box, or you can also call address bar. Address box, where you can find G6 is the address of this particular highlighted rectangular shape, which is called a cell. If we click here, then also we find that this is an I and this is 10. So you can see here I10. If we click here, this is M12 and so on. So this is called a name box or address box. And whatever you write here, for example, you write cell, so it appears in this um, in this area. If you uh, if you calculate anything, for example, sum of whatever 5 plus 6, for example, then you can find here formula. This is called formula bar. And if you want to insert any direct formula or function, then you can put here direct function also. But today this is not our topic, just we get familiar with the Excel. So now this all thing you can understand. First one is the tab. This is the ribbon. These are the groups, and then this is the address bar. This is formula bar, and now we comes in the footer. So footer you can find here a zoom dialog box where you zoom out your sheet or zoom in your sheet. So usually as per standard it is at 100%. Here also you can find three page layout um, options. For example, here it is in normal view, here it is a page layout, print layout, and here it is page break view. But because there is no any data, so you cannot find these all things. After that we will discuss. Also here it is empty ribbon. But if you put here some data like 2, 4, 5, 8, for example, and just select this one, then surprisingly you can find here the average, count, and sum, and we can uh, manage it with more options also here. So this is you can find here, and as per standard you can find here average, count, and sum. And here you can find sheet number one and a small plus sign in a circle. If you just click it, then there is the new file created and a new sheet created, and so on. How many sheets you have required, just click on this one and you can add more and more sheets. And this is, as you almost know, uh, everyone know this one is called scroll bar, and this is a horizontal scroll bar, and this is a vertical scroll bar. But because there is no any data, so you cannot use it properly. Okay, so this is the layout of an Excel sheet. This is called a spreadsheet, this is called a workbook, and when we save it, then it saves as a Excel file. Okay, so I think this is enough for this class, because in this class we just get familiar with the Excel, that what is an Excel, and what is the layout of the Excel, and what is included in the Excel sheet. So this class is now at its end, and then we will meet in the next class. And I like that you share your comments in the comment section, that how you find this small get familiar Excel class. And this is the first class of my uh, free Excel beginner series, and then I will proceed with some more options and we go deeper in the Excel. So thanks you for watching my this first class, and I hope that you understand that what we have discussed. If you have any question, then you can write in comments, and I also give some my links in description if you want to contact me to get one-to-one sessions of Excel, or if you want to develop any Excel little small program, then I am available. So bye bye, and see you in the next class. Take care.